Morning class 6 students. So today on of lesson 5 natural numbers and whole numbers, exercise 5b I was explaining in the previous class also. So all these questions which are on exercise 5b, all these questions which I have written on the board, they are all based on the properties of whole number subtraction. ये सारे सवाल जो करेंगे हम लोग, ये सारे किस चीज के ऊपर आधार है? जो मैंने प्रॉपर्टी बताया था, गुण बताया था होल नंबर सब्ट्रैक्शन का. दैट मींस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस प्रॉपर्टीज in your mind, then only you can solve these questions. Okay, so let us start with the second question of exercise 5b. Fill in the blanks. Second ka first, 8 minus 0 is equal to dash. These are all fill in the blanks. So 8 minus 0 is equal to dash. You know how to solve this one. You have to write 8 at the top minus 0 is equal to 8 coming. मतलब 8 से 0 माइनस करोगे तो 8 होगा. 8 तुम्हारे पास पेंसिल है, कितना दिया तुमने? 0 मतलब कुछ नहीं दिया, तो 8 ही रहेगा. So write down the 8 here. Now this is plus 8 or minus 8? It will be plus 8. Okay, why? Because the number written above 0, 8. See here, 8. 8 is where here. First number is 8 and 8. Before 8 no sign is there, means it is plus 8. So plus 8 you write or simply 8 you write. You don't show the plus sign before 8. Okay, so 8 minus 0, 8. Now 0 minus 8. So 0 minus 8 means how will you subtract? When you subtract two numbers, we write the big number at the top. 8 minus 0, again 8 coming. In this case also. These two numbers have to subtract or not? Then how will you subtract? The big number you will write top. Then below the big number you write the small number. 8 minus 0, 8. Now before 8 what sign you will put? This 8 is plus 8. Not shown plus 8. Now will it be plus 8 or minus 8? How will you come to know? See, in this subtraction 8, above 0 8 is there. Now come here. Where is 8? 8 is here. Before 8 what sign is there? Minus. So this 8 is minus, so answer will come in minus. Seeing the sign of the number, which is the upper number sign, we see what the sign the upper number has got. That sign we put before the answer. मतलब जब ऊपर नीचे माइनस करेंगे, करने में आंसर आएगा, उसके आगे प्लस या माइनस जो लगेगा, किसके आधार पर लगेगा? जो माइनस कर रहे हैं उसको ऊपर वाला नंबर का साइन क्या है? ऊपर का नंबर प्लस होगा तो 8 के आगे प्लस आ जाएगा. लिख भी सकते, नहीं भी लिख सकते हो. और ऊपर का नंबर माइनस है, यहाँ पे देखो 8 के आगे माइनस है, मतलब 8 माइनस नंबर है, तो आंसर आएगा माइनस आ गया, तो माइनस 8. ओके, माइनस 8 भर दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? 8 minus 0, 8 came, and 0 minus 8, minus 8 came. So these two answers are, this sign is not equal. 8 minus 0 is not equal to 0 minus 8. This shows, ये दिखाता है subtraction of whole number. ये these two are whole number, 0 and 8 are whole numbers, and subtraction, we subtract whole numbers, is not commutative. Why not commutative? Because 8 minus 0, 8. Commutative means the two numbers which are subtracting, if you interchange their position, then also the same answer should come. When 8 minus 0, 8 आया तो चेंज कर दिया, 0 को बाद में 0 पहले लिख दिया, 8 को बाद में लिखा. यहाँ पर भी 8 आना चाहिए था, तभी कम्यूटेटिव होता ही है. लेकिन दोनों का आंसर इंटरचेंज करने से आंसर नॉट कमिंग हियर, इट इज कमिंग minus 8 and both are different answer. So commutative property not existing for subtraction of whole numbers, the property which I explained few days back. So subtraction of whole number is not commutative. Next you see 5 minus 10, you have to fill up. What will come? Now 5 minus 10. Okay, now these two whole number you have to subtract. Then how you subtract in the rough? Always write the big number at the top, then minus 5 we do. Okay, now 0 is smaller than 5. 0 will ask 1, give me 1. So this 1 will give 1 to 0. So this 1 will come near 0. 1 था, 1 पेंसिल दे दिया, कितना रहेगा? 0 हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं रहेगा इसके पास. 10 minus 5, 10 पेंसिल है, 5 पेंसिल दे दो, कितना रहेगा? 5. 0 माइनस, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब before 5 you can write 0. 0 minus 0, 0. That is actually before 5 0 written is no meaning, it is write 5. So how much you got? Now yes, now this is actually what? 5. Okay, now you have to see what sign you will put here. What sign is 5 means it is plus 5. Will it be plus 5 or minus 5? You have to check. Now see 10 minus 5. ऊपर का number 10. 10 is what number? From here. 10 के आगे minus है. मतलब 10 is a minus number. So the answer which came, you have to put a minus sign before 5. Put minus 5 here. So 5 minus 10 is coming minus 5. Which is not a minus 5 क्या है? वो एक नहीं whole number है. Which is not a whole number. Minus 5 is not a whole number. So this minus 5 which is not a, you have to write whole number here. Okay? Because whole number is 5. Minus 5 is not a whole number. It is a different number. Okay? So which, minus 5 which is not a whole number. Now subtraction of whole number. This whole number you will write here. Subtraction of whole number is not closed. That means closure property. जब भी कोई सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं होल नंबर को, उसमें ऑलवेज अगर होल नंबर आएगा तभी बोलेंगे क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सब्ट्रैक्शन का होता है. और दैट वी कैन राइट सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ होल नंबर, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इज इन सब्ट्रैक्शन, और यू कैन राइट सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ होल नंबर इज क्लोज्ड. बट सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ होल नंबर इज नॉट क्लोज्ड. क्योंकि जब भी होल नंबर को माइनस करोगे ऑलवेज होल नंबर नहीं आ रहा है. 5 minus 10 is minus 5, लेकिन 10 minus 5 is 5 will come. It is a whole number. So always you subtract any two whole number, always whole number is not coming. You check in this answer. So subtraction of whole number is not closed. अगर closed कब होता? जब भी कोई भी नंबर subtract करोगे whole number में आना चाहिए था, लेकिन यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ नहीं आ रहा है. So it is not closed. Now next one will solve 7 minus 18. You subtract this in rough. You subtract. How will you subtract? बड़ा नंबर को ऊपर लिखेंगे, -7 नीचे आ जाएगा, 1 बोलेगा नहीं, 8 बड़ा है, 8 पेंसिल है, 7 के आगे you can write 0 if you want. You can write as many zeros before 7. Now subtract. 8 पेंसिल है, 7 दे दो कितना रहेगा? 8 रहेगा. एक पेंसिल था, कुछ पेंसिल नहीं दिया, तुम्हारे पास वही एक ही पेंसिल रह जाएगा 11. तो now this is plus 11. No sign, it is plus 11. Now you have to see whether it is plus 11 or minus 11. How will you check? कैसे देखोगे? 18 को देखो. 18 is what number? Come here. Before 18 minus है. So the number above 7, 18 is a minus number. So answer which is coming, you have to put very much important minus number here. So 7 minus 18 minus 11. Okay, we fill it up here. Now let us solve this one. What answer is coming? What is the question written here? 7 minus 18. In the rough you solve minus 5. Okay. Now 7 minus 18. How much came? Minus 11. Write the minus 11. Bracket you put minus 5. Okay. Now bracket open. Already you know. Before bracket no sign is there is plus. The plus minus minus. Bracket remove. Bracket हट गया. 11 का 11 minus का minus 5 का 5. Now this two you solve. What you are seeing here? Minus 11, minus 5. Both are minus number. So when two minus numbers are there, then what you have to do? You have to add all the minus numbers. जब आंखों के सामने सारे नंबर को जो सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो देख रहे हो सारे नंबर माइनस है. 5 के आगे माइनस है, भी माइनस नंबर है. 11 के आगे माइनस है, भी माइनस नंबर है. जो आंखों के सामने सारे नंबर माइनस दिखाई देता है, रिमेंबर ये दोनों को ऐड करना है. 11 plus 5, 16. Now you have added two minus number. Okay, मैंने माइनस नंबर को ऐड किया तो जो आंसर आएगा उसके आगे you have to put a minus sign. So what answer you got? Right, minus 16. Okay. Now let us solve this one. Now next third one. Let us solve this one and what answer is coming? We will write down here. 18 minus 5. Very good. Write the big number at the top. 5 नीचे. Minus करो. You can put a 0 here. Now 8 minus 5, 8 पेंसिल है, 5 दे दो कितना रहेगा? 3 पेंसिल रहेगा. 1 पेंसिल है, 0 मतलब कुछ पेंसिल नहीं दोगे तो तुम्हारे पास कितना पेंसिल रहेगा? वही एक ही रह जाएगा 13. तो 13 came. Now it is plus 13, it is plus 13. But whether it will be plus 13 or minus 13, how will you come to know? See the number 18. 18 is what? See here, come here. 18 is plus. Before 18 nothing is there, it is plus 18. So ऊपर का नंबर प्लस है मतलब ये प्लस होगा. Plus हम लिखते नहीं है, just write 13. Okay, not necessary to write plus. So 18 minus 5, 13 came. Okay. Now let us solve this one and see what answer coming. That answer we will write here. Okay. 7 minus 18 minus 5. Okay. Now here apply odd mass rule. minus is also there, bracket is also there. You know that in mod mass we have to do the bracket work first, B for bracket. So this bracket work you will do first, other will remain as it is. 7 7 का रहेगा, minus minus रहेगा. Now 18 minus 5, you got 18 minus 5 is 13. Write 13 here. Now 7 minus, no sorry, write 7 now. Before 13 nothing is there means it is plus 13, okay? Now bracket is also there, before bracket minus is there. Now remove bracket. What is the rule of remove bracket? Plus minus minus, bracket remove 13. Now see this one. 7 minus 13. Before 7 no sign is there means it is a plus 7. ये plus 7 है. Okay? So now तुम्हारे आंखों के सामने हम दो नंबर को देख रहा हूं, एक प्लस नंबर है, एक माइनस नंबर है. जब आंखों के सामने एक प्लस और माइनस नंबर होता है, what we do? We subtract. We subtract. How we subtract? बड़े नंबर ऊपर 13 minus 7. 3 7 से छोटा है, 3 1 से 1 मांगेगा, 1 1 दे देगा, 1 ने 1 दे दिया, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं रहेगा, 0 हो गया. अब 13 पेंसिल है, 7 दे दो, कितना रहेगा? 13 पेंसिल है, 7 दे दोगे, रहेगा तुम्हारे पास 6 पेंसिल. 0 minus 0 0. You can write that 6 only. 0 not required to write before 6. Now 6 will be what? Plus 6 or minus 6? It is plus 6 showing. Now see this one. 13 minus 7. Which one? 13 minus 7. See this one. We have subtracted this two number, 13 minus 7. Now see the upper number. What is upper number? What sign upper number is having? Come here. 13 का माइनस है, मतलब ऊपर नंबर माइनस है. ऊपर वाला माइनस होने से जो आंसर आएगा, जो 6 आया, इसके माइनस पुट करो. तो व्हाट आंसर के? -6. Solving this -16. Now see here what they are asking is 7 minus 18 minus 5. This one is equal to 7 minus bracket 18 minus 5. इसको सॉल्व करके जो आंसर आया वे क्या बराबर है? इसको सॉल्व करके जो आंसर आया, इसको सॉल्व करके कितना है? -16. इसको सॉल्व करके आया कितना है? -6. तो -16 और -6 तो इक्वल नहीं है. ये बताना दोनों इक्वल है? What will be the answer? No, they are not equal, because in this case answer is coming -16. In this case by solving answer is coming -6. So -16 -6 are not same number, so they are not equal. No. Now next one, subtraction of whole number is not associative. माने जब भी हम कोई तीन नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देखो यहाँ पे I have subtracted 3 whole numbers in this way, and another student has subtracted this whole number in this way. So what it is actually associative property? Just interchange. We have changed the order. First student पहला दो को माइनस करके जो आंसर आया उसको तीसरे नंबर से माइनस किया, ये आंसर आया. दूसरा बच्चे ने क्या किया? लास्ट दो नंबर को पहले माइनस किया, उसका जो आंसर आया उसको 7 से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, -6 आया. तो एसोसिएटिव तभी होगा जब तीन होल नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, दोनों में आंसर सेम आना चाहिए था, दोनों में सेम नहीं आया, तो इट इज नॉट एसोसिएटिव. ओके, नाउ कम टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. राइट द आइडेंटिटी नंबर इफ पॉसिबल फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन दिस वन, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. व्हाट विल बी आंसर? नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, identity means in whole number one number is there, that is 0. 0 is also whole number and 0 is identity number. And for subtraction, identity number will be possible if you subtract 0 from 8. What suppose you take a whole number 8 and you subtract the identity 0 from 8. 8 minus 8, 0 8 coming. Now if you interchange the order, in that case also 8 should come, but it never comes. 0 minus 8 minus 8 is coming. That means 0 is not an identity for the subtraction of whole numbers. Not possible. Next, write the inverse if possible for subtraction of whole numbers. क्या कोई inverse number है whole number का? You know that inverse number all of you know. कोई भी whole number ले लो, 36 whole number. What is the inverse of this whole number? -36. But -36 is not a whole number. ये बता रहा है कि inverse हम लिख सकते हैं whole number का. -36 इनवर्स तो है, 36 का इनवर्स 36 का इनवर्स -36 है, लेकिन -36 is not coming in whole number. So what you will write here? Now write the inverse if possible for subtraction of whole number. Yeah, this property already explained. Suppose you take a whole number 36. Okay, now inverse of this is -36. Now If both are inverse, then subtracting this to 0 should come. Then only we will say inverse is possible. Now try to subtract this one. These two numbers you subtract. 36 minus, put inside bracket this minus 36. Okay. By subtracting this 2, answer should come 0. Then only we will say minus 36 is inverse of 36. In case of subtraction of whole numbers. So 36, right? 36 minus, we are subtracting this 2. So put a minus sign, and as it is a minus number, put this minus number under bracket. Now solve it. 36, bracket open. BODMAS rule, bracket work you have to do first. What you have to do here? Nothing, just you have to remove the bracket. Minus minus plus. Bracket remove 36. Add this 2. 72 coming, 0 not coming. So 0 should come. If subtracting this 2, if 0 is coming, then only we could have said that minus 36 inverse of whole number 36 is possible. But 0 not coming, 72 coming. So you will say inverse is not possible. Not possible. Okay.